Once the birds are big enough to leave the nest, they accompany the parents as they find food. And they make this constant noise until their hunger is satisfied. And I'm not sure of the length of time it takes them to then go out on their own. But this is a sound that we hear every now and again as new baby birds are hatched and they make their way out into the world. There used to be an initiation test of flying through my studio and being grasped by the human, but this is a pleasant sound out here in the garden for me.